When you travel, do you find that sitting, waiting for the flight, you maybe want to work, or you want to play on the computer or play video games, whatever, but it's crowded. Sometimes you have a seat, sometimes you don't, but especially if you want to work on a laptop, it can be difficult juggling. I've got a solution. So this is a little portable desk for your suitcase. So I've got one of my suitcases here, and this one I do use for traveling, and I kind of go through phases where I travel a lot, and then I don't travel for a long time, and then I travel a lot, but I mostly travel for work. So I'll visit client sites, and that, rather than lots of holidays. My friends will laugh at that one because it's very rare I go on holiday. So it's mostly work. So I bought this because I thought, when I'm traveling with work and I'm waiting for a flight, I'd really like to sometimes just get through some work, especially if I've left work, say I've left the client site at lunchtime, and it's taking me, a good 2-3 hours to get home. So I might as well get a little bit more work done, or I'll be doing my own work, okay? Such as planning for the YouTube channel. I also write fictional books, and I write nonfiction books. So I've got a lot that I'm doing, and I want to just get some stuff done. I don't want to sit around. But even if I'm just reading, maybe I want to sit and watch, have it sat up and I just sit and read, whatever, or watching TV. So I thought, let's get something that'll help that. And I saw a couple of newer suitcases when I was looking for a new suitcase, because I had a suitcase I absolutely loved, except it only had 2 wheels. And I really wanted 4 because it was giving me shoulder pains, because I have to take a couple of laptops with me and all sorts when I travel. So I wanted a new suitcase, but I wanted the features I loved in my old suitcase. Well, there was some suitcases that had tables that you could pull out and use while at the airport, and they just slipped back in. But I didn't like the other features for them, so I missed out. But then I saw this. Now, I find that it depends on your suitcase how it's going to work, right? So obviously the handles need to fit in here, so it probably won't work so well on the wide suitcase handles, which I have old suitcases like that. And also, if your handle doesn't go really high, or it doesn't stop in the middle, so if it goes really, really high, it might only be good for watching movies on or TV on your tablet. But my suitcase, when it behaves, will kind of go, there it is, in a intermediary. And then this just has a little Velcro here and a little strap here, which I can put around. And so it's not 100% stable, but it's, I'd say, 80% stable. It's so if you have a laptop, I could easily see my laptop and using it, and it's not going to flop all over the place because it's going to be fairly stable. If I had a tablet or a phone, I'm not sure. I think it depends on the tablet or phone and where you put it. If I put my tablet in the center, I'd be quite confident in that, unless somebody bumped it, but that's like with everything. And then also, if I'm typing, yeah, I'd probably have something to hold the tablet on here rather than just have it sitting on here with its kickstand, because I'm quite a heavy typer. But what I really like is at the side, I have a couple of little pockets. So if I am going to use this to do a bit of work, I could put the my portable folding keyboard in here, and then the stand or the clamp for my tablet in here as well. And that way everything's together. And then when the airline calls you to go, okay, everybody catch the bus or get on the plane, depending on whether you're budget airline or not, then I could just take this up, fold it, and pop it into my carry-on. Okay, so that is this portable little table that I've got. Okay, and there is a strap here that you can use. So if you wanted to put it, say, on this side, you can put the laptop kind of through it. Yeah, it's quite handy. So that is a little travel table for your suitcase. Yeah, if you have any other suggestions on how you can do work in the airport when you're traveling, or watch TV or etc., and that maybe you've got a link to something like this that you thought was really useful, put that in the comments below. Also, if you have any suggestions about topics, maybe you're not sure about if there's a gadget that does something specific, then just put that in the comments as well. Also, if you are enjoying these videos, you found them useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that like and subscribe. There's also a bell button, and if you click on that, YouTube will notify you when there's new videos. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.